let's talk about this vibration plate by Maroc. I got it in the cute pink, and all of the benefits and how I use it and how you can best use it too. This is one of the top sold vibration plates on Amazon. It comes in black and pink. I think there might be another color. I got the pink, the girly pink, because I like it. It's cute, and it is to support breast cancer. So it has 3 different settings on the plate itself. We have running on the outside, jogging and walking. I'm going to demonstrate. The vibration is stronger, not as strong, and the most mild. And let's get on this and see how I use it. I will say first, I like to walk on the treadmill for at least 20 minutes minimum to really warm up my body. And then I use this to give me a full body massage and lymphatic drain. Once you step on, it tilts like this and it makes it just come on. It does come with a remote control that has several levels. I already have mine set, so I don't need to use that. Starting on the outside, I'm just going to rock it side to side. And now it's on. And you can see it's vibrating my whole body. Now, when I get on here, after I've worked out, I like to rub all of my lymphatic areas under the armpits. Here, there are several videos on where your lymphatic points are at, through our abdomen, in our inner legs, in the back. You want to get everything moving. After a workout, I like to continue the workout mode. So I will usually start off here in the area, and I like to do different squats while I'm still warm from my exercises. You can also step out and do wider squats. If you just need a gentle vibration, this is the most gentle spot right here in the middle. I have used a lot of vibration plates, and this by far is my favorite. I love that it's wide enough. Some vibration plates are a little too small. This makes your body feel like you have had a full body massage by the time you get off it. I also suffer with foot pain, and this makes my feet feel so good, like it does after you go get a pedicure, ladies. It just feels like somebody has rubbed your feet once you get off. Here is a close-up look of when you are on the furthest points. You can really see my legs shaking. I mean, you get a really great shake. We're going into the jogging mode. This is a gentler vibration, but you can see my legs are still moving. And the most gentle of all, you see they're still moving. The vibration is gentle, but still effective, even at this mode right here.